Hello everyone, my name is Mehul, and today in this video I'm going to be talking about the novel coronavirus. You all must be knowing about this COVID-19 pandemic which has caused much havoc to the human society for the past 2 or 3 months. Well, till mid of April, about 2 million confirmed cases of COVID-19 have been identified, and sadly only 140,000 people have lost their lives. But the good news is that 470,000 people have recovered from this disease globally. Till 14th April, USA leads the battle against the coronavirus. Next comes Italy and Spain. The first case of coronavirus was identified in the Wuhan province of China in December 2019, and hence the disease is called as COVID-19. Also, the coronavirus or the novel coronavirus belongs to a family called as coronaviruses, which also includes MERS and SARS. These both viruses are related to respiratory syndromes. Novel coronavirus also affects the lungs. According to a report, if a person is infected by coronavirus, he or she might spread it to 4 other people in just one day. And in a week, about 406 people will be infected by the virus by only one person due to community transmission of the virus. This shows that the virus is very deadly and it can spread really fast. So now the question is, how and why does this virus spread so fast? Well, the virus enters our lungs through the mouth, nose, or eyes. Once it enters, it reaches the lungs and it affects the epidermal cells of the lungs. The epidermal cells of lungs have a certain enzyme called as ACE2, also known as angiotensin converting enzyme 2. This kind of enzyme is formerly or mostly found in the heart and lungs, but it's also found in kidneys and the vascular tissues. Well, coming back, the coronavirus infects the epidermal cell and enters it. Once it enters the epidermal cells of the lungs, it uses the endoplasmic reticulum to make its own proteins. When the virus gets its proteins, the epidermal cell dies and forms a residue in the bottom of the lungs, causing respiratory problems and breathing problems. Well, the coronavirus can also affect the kidneys and hearts, leading to organ failures. This kind of failures happen mostly in severe and critical cases. The coronavirus or the novel coronavirus also has one more problem. Among the middle-aged people, it has been seen that the coronavirus makes our immunity system go overdrive, which means that the immunity cells will kill the healthy cells present in our body along with the coronaviruses. This will also lead to organ failures. Also, the coronavirus has an S protein around it, which helps it attach to any cell. We should also keep in mind that there has been no vaccination or proper treatment for the COVID-19 yet. But there are few ways in which we can make one. First way is that we can somehow make a chemical which can dissolve this S protein found around the coronavirus. This will prevent it from latching on to a healthy or recovered person. We can also make a treatment in which we can make our immunity cells not go overdrive, or we can make the ACE2 present in our body lower down. Yes, there is a benefit of having ACE2 because it lowers or it controls the blood pressure in our body. But if we can lower it down by at least 2%, we are most unlikely to be affected by the COVID-19. Till now, we have not found any way. So the best way to keep ourselves away from this virus is by cleaning our hands with alcohol-based sanitizers or soap, keeping our surroundings clean, having proper hygiene, drinking lots of warm water. Also, these precautions might not work because the virus might enter our body through some other way. But according to statistics, we see that about 80% people have recovered from this disease. This means that those 80% people had a stronger and a better immune system compared to the rest 20. So, this means as a backup plan, we should always have a stronger and better immunity system so that even if the virus enters the body, we can fight it and kill it and prevent it from making us go in a critical or severe stage. Now, to have a stronger and a better immune system, we should also have a proper balanced diet and also intake some vitamin rich fruits or vegetables, mostly rich in vitamin C, as it enhances the immunity system of our body. Because the coronavirus spreads through droplets, and if any droplet is near or attached to our body, then we might get infected. Some scientists tell that these droplets can travel up to 6 feet, some scientists tell 13 feet. So it's not concluded yet how much these droplets can travel. So it's better to stay at home and be away from any kind of infected person. So, in conclusion, I just want to tell at home, spend some time with your family, do something productive. Anyways, that's all for today. If you like my video, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more kinds of videos about different topics, then please do subscribe.